Everyone, welcome to week 10. This week we are going to continue moving on. We are now exploring cancer, and this week is focused on understanding different types of cancer, what the different causes are, and areas of prevention and treatment. So you'll have a variety of assignments as normal that you'll be looking at and reading through in order to understand this topic. So the first thing that you'll need to be doing is read the chapter, and you'll complete the Learn Smart, the quiz, and then there's a cancer risk lab. And then you also have a TED Talk assignment this week. So these are all located within the cancer folder here. You will also have your third week of journaling. So you're going to continue to journal. You should be on week 3 of 4, and that can be found, I will scroll down, in the Behavior Change Project folder. And so you'll go in here, and again, you can only access the journals if you have reached the Behavior Change Contract step. Once you've submitted your contract, then you have access to the journals and you can complete those. Finally, you will have your next assignment in the ethics section. So you'll go to the Ethics and Health tab and complete the logical fallacy assignment and quiz. So what you will need to do is go to this tab, Ethics and Health and Wellness, and you will complete the logical fallacy assignment and quiz, and I'll go click on here and I'll show you those. So you should have already done the outline and for your sources. Last week, you should have completed the ethics module and taken this ethics review and application quiz. You have to receive a 70% or better in order to move on. If you have not done so, you will need to retake it, and that's okay. You can take it as many times as you need to, but you do have to receive a 70% in order to move on to the next step. This week, you will click on this link right here, and it will take you to the logical fallacy page, and you'll review all of the different types of logical fallacies, and then you will take this quiz. And so that's what you'll have to do this week, these 2 sections within the Ethics and Health tab. Once you complete that, then you will move on in the next couple weeks to the Ethics and Health paper. So you're not quite to that step yet. So you will need to complete the fallacy module as well as the ethics module in order to move on. So really the main part of this is just to get ready for the paper. So start to understand the different fallacies that can occur. And the big part of this is if I'm reading your papers in the future, when you do get to the point of turning them in and there are any logical fallacies within them, then you will get discredited for that section. So it's really important that you understand these logical fallacies in order to not include them in your paper. So that's week 10. It should be fairly easy compared to what you have had in the past. There's still quite a bit of work, but none of the assignments should be, the length of time that you've had in the past. So you'll want to go through each one of these tabs. You have your cancer folder here, and then this tells you to go to the behavior change, and then this one says to go to the ethics and health tab. So you'll want to complete all of these, and then, if you have any questions, as always, please feel free to email me, or we can schedule a time to set up a meeting, whether on the phone or over Zoom. So far, only 3 students have, taken me up on that offer. And I highly encourage you, if there's something you're struggling with or, you need more clarification on, I'm happy to meet with you to review it further. Okay, I hope you all have a great week. This can be a really heavy topic, depending on different people's backgrounds. So make sure that, again, you're taking care of yourself and, reaching out as you need to your support systems. Let me know if anything comes up. And I, again, hope you all have a great week, and I'm looking forward to continuing to review your journals. You've been doing great work, so keep it up.